Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only.
Welcome to Chiang Mai Voices 98 FM, the new sound for your early evening. Tune in daily from 5 to 7 p.m., live, local, and interactive, bringing Chiang Mai together through news, music, culture, and conversations. A show where the city speaks and listens, a place for dialogue and your stories. Chiang Mai Voices 98 FM, radio for today's Chiang Mai. Your voice matters here.
Thailand's Update.
Sawadee krap and welcome to Chiang Mai Voices. And you're tuning into our special program on Thailand Update, your passport to the incredible kingdom of Thailand. My name is Peter, your host for this episode, and we'll be exploring the topic of Lampang's time capsule, the business of authenticity. Lampang, often referred to as Mueang Rot Ma, which means city of the horse carriage, or Thailand's last paradise, function as a living time capsule that leverages its deep-rooted Lana cultural heritage, traditional architecture, and slow-paced lifestyle to create a distinct, authentic tourism economy. Let's have a look at the overview before we dive deep down. The Living Museum Strategy. Lampang is being developed as a model secondary city that employs a living museum concept. Instead of relying on stage attractions, the city promotes its daily life, customs, and traditions that have been preserved from ancient times. Cultural preservation. The city focuses on maintaining its identity through its temples, religious sites, and unique local architecture. Visitors experience a slower, more nostalgic pace of life compared to larger Thai cities. Number 2 is key cultural and commercial anchors. The business of authenticity in Lampang is built upon several iconic, locally produced elements, such as ceramics industry, known as the City of the Rooster. Lampang is famous for its Khao Lin pottery, or China clay, but in Thai we say Din Khao, particularly the traditional chicken pattern bowls. The industry includes museum, workshops, and traditional dragon kilns. Horse-drawn carriages are amongst the tourist gimmicks but symbols of the city's history and a unique slow-paced mode of transport, which is still in use as of today. The city has preserved many teakwood houses and old buildings, such as Ban Sao Nak, a 150 years old house supported by 116 teak pillars. The city is also known for northern Thai cuisine, with popular spots along the Wang River and bustling night markets. Number 3, sustainable tourism and development. The development strategy focuses on creative tourism, which enhances local economy while preserving culture. The approach to community involvement requires integrated collaboration between the public, private, and local sectors to ensure sustainability. There's a growing trend of blending old-fashioned charm with modern amenities such as cafes, loft-style restaurant and boutique accommodation that operates within traditional settings. Value-added experience in terms of tourism in Lampang, which often includes interactive, authentic experiences such as ceramic painting workshops and walking tours of historic neighborhoods. Number 4, key takeaways on authenticity. Authentic, not staged. The allure of Lampang lies in the fact that its old world charm is still very much part of the daily life of its residents. And by remaining less crowded than neighboring Chiang Mai, Lampang maintained its tranquil and authentic appeal. In summary, Lampang's business model for tourism is rooted in and successful because of its resistance to rapid modernization, offering instead of a time capsule experiences that attracts travelers seeking a genuine glimpse into Lanna history and culture. Lampang province is renowned for its rich and distinctive cultural identity, as reflected in the local way of life, architecture in the community, traditional practices, and local community beliefs. This study examines and analyzes Lampang's cultural identity across multiple dimensions, especially those aspects that reflect its historical identity, architecture, way of life, and beliefs of local community to analyze the potential of transforming these cultural assets into a living museum model that supports creative tourism. Lampang has a distinctive cultural identity, including temples and religious sites, nature, history, and local architecture, all of which demonstrate high potential for development as a living museum. The development of Lampang as a living museum to effectively promote creative tourism should focus on key strategic approaches: tourism experience design, cultural identity presentation, along with community participation. And by adopting an integrated approach, these measures will enhance the diversity and sustainability of creative tourism in Lampang. Gat Gong Ta, or Talat Jin, is an old market in Lampang, located near Latsada Pisek Bridge. Gat Gong Ta is one of the important landmarks for art lovers in Lampang. In the Northern Thai dialect, the name Gat Gong Ta means the market near the pier. Gat is a market, and Gong Ta means pier. A little bit about the history. Situated on the banks of Wang River, the market can be dated back to the reign of King Rama V, or around 1877. In the old days, Gat Gong Ta was a hub filled with merchants from many countries such as Thailand, China, Myanmar, and Western countries. This contributes to the various types of architecture found in the market. There are Thai Lanna, Burmese, Chinese, and Western architectures, which are as old as 100 years. The building preserved and passed on to generations make Gat Gong Ta a lovely vintage place that attracts a lot of visitors. Besides the architecture, Gat Gong Ta also offers a wide range of interesting goods. Local and handmade products can be found here. Moreover, don't miss those delicious local dishes such as Khanom Jeen, Nam Nghieo, Miang Kam, Khai Pam, and Thong Muon Sot. Also, grabbing some nice gifts for your friends and family back home and watching the show in the market would be a great idea. Gat Gong Ta opens from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Saturday and Sundays. However, if you want to go sightseeing around the market, you can visit the market in the morning. Starting from Lampang City, visitor can drive along Latsada Road and cross Latsada Bridge to Gat Gong Ta. It is highly recommended to start the walk at Gat Gong Ta Walking Street to absorb the vintage atmosphere that the market offers you. Lampang is recognized as a center of authentic Northern Thai culture. Let's take a short break. When we get back, more of Lampang and its authentic Northern Thai culture, which offer more traditional experiences compared to the neighboring country, Chiang Mai. Stay tuned.
You're listening to Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM, radio for today's Chiang Mai. We're live, local, and interactive, daily, from 5 to 7 p.m.
Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM. Your voice matters here.
Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only.
Welcome to Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM, the new sound for your early evening. Tune in daily from 5 to 7 p.m. Live, local, and interactive. Bringing Chiang Mai together through news, music, culture, and conversations. A show where the city speaks and listens. A place for dialogue and your stories.
Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM. Radio for today's Chiang Mai. Your voice matters here.
Thailand's update.
Sawadee krap and welcome back to Chiang Mai Voices on FM 98 MHz. You're tuning into our 30-minute special program on Thailand Update, your passport to the incredible kingdom of Thailand. My name is Peter, your host for this episode, which will be exploring the topic of Lampang's time capsule, the business of authenticity. Moving on, Lampang is recognized as a center of authentic northern Thai culture, offering slower, more traditional experiences compared to the neighboring Chiang Mai. Its business, culture, and tourism are rooted in its history as a major teak trading hub, which was dated back in the late 19th and early 20th century, which brought a unique blend of Lana, Burmese, and British influence. So we'll break it down for you, the key elements of authenticity in Lampang's local business and economy. Number one is the ceramic industry, the ceramic city. Lampang is the heart of Thailand's ceramic production, driven by the discovery of high-quality kaolin clay in the area. Rooster's Bowl, which is also named Rung Reung, the iconic rooster bowl, a staple in Thai household, originated in China, but found its Thai home in Lampang, with production beginning in 1955. Danabadi Ceramic Museum, a key landmark that traces the history of these ceramics and showcases traditional production techniques. Export and online matching, the industry is actively promoting authentic hand-painted ceramics to international markets, including the United States. Number two is historic preservation and gingerbread architecture. Now, unlike other cities with heavy modern high-rise development, Lampang has preserved its architectural heritage. For example, teak mansions, the city is known for its gingerbread houses, teak building with intricate carvings and European-influenced design stemming from the earliest of 20th century timber trade. Ban Sao Nak, a 100-years-old teak house with 116 pillars representing Lana Burmese architecture. Next up, we have Burmese temples, and due to the historical presence of Burmese workers in the teak industry, the city hosts unique temples like Wat Si Rung Mueang, which are distinct from typical Thai temples. And number three, we have City of Horse Carriages, Mueang Rotma. Lampang is the only city in Thailand where horse-drawn carriages are still in regular daily use for transportation and tourism. This tradition originated from the earliest 20th century, cementing its image as a place where time moves slowly. Number four, cultural tourism and local markets. The tourism sector focuses on slow travel and authentic local experiences rather than high-volume tourism. Authentic cuisine. The region is known for its dishes like khao soi, curry noodles, and sai ua, northern sausages, often served in traditional rustic settings. Friends of the Asian Elephant Foundation, which is home to the first elephant hospital, reflecting a commitment to animal welfare. Number five, key economic drivers. Ceramic pottery, the primary most iconic industry. Agricultural ecotourism, like Chason National Park, which features natural hot springs and local organic farming initiatives. Forestry, woodworking, remaining traditional, high-quality wood carving and furniture making. In summary, Lampang's business of authenticity is defined by preserving its identity as a Lana Burmese cultural hub, focusing on artisanal pottery, historical architecture, and a slower traditional lifestyle, which attracts visitors looking for more genuine, uncommercialized Thai experiences. Now we dive deep into discovering Lampang's rich cultural heritage. The cultural fabric is an exquisite blend of Lana in terms of Lampang city. Lana, Burmese, and Northern Thai influences are seamlessly woven into its historic architecture, art, and daily life. Once a significant kingdom on the trade routes between Chiang Mai and Myanmar, Lampang has preserved traditional arts like the renowned Siladon pottery. This jade green ceramic crafts, flourishing for centuries, still thrives in local workshops, offering insights into delicate craftsmanship. Uncovering these crafts offer a compelling reason to plan your next visit. And in terms of landmark, another iconic emblem of Lampang's heritage is the horse-drawn carriages, which you wouldn't find anywhere else, obviously, because of the congested urban areas. But Lampang is a little back, or you can say slow in time. Time moves very slowly. So Lampang preserved this tradition, providing an authentic mode of transport through streets adorned with teakwood architectures. It's perfect activity to experience a slower pace of life, reflecting the town's charming nature. So don't forget to bring your camera. The area is also renowned for wood carving, weaving, and local artisans showcasing their skill in crafting intricate temple decorations, furniture, and textiles. These crafts not only highlight Lampang's artistic core, but are pivotal in sustaining community identities through generational knowledge and daily traditions and customs in Lampang. Now, Buddhism serves as the spiritual backbone of daily life in Lampang. The city's temples are not just places of worship, but integral community centers filled with exquisite art. Here, residents practice daily rituals, reinforcing a harmonious blend of faith and living. Creating a close-knit community atmosphere, travelers can immerse in. Participating in these rituals and temples fairs is one of the many rewarding things to do in Lampang. Culinary traditions in Lampang do not go unnoticed as well. The cuisine is delectable blend of northern and Burmese flavors. There are many bustling markets offer everything from grilled river fish to locally produced sweets, inviting visitors to savor authentic Lampang. Traditional clothing also play a significant role during the festivals, with women in ornate silk skirts and men in elegant homespun shirts, engaging with local markets from morning fresh produce to evening bazaars, offering insights into social fabric that defines Lampang. With all the customs away, let's talk festivals, which illuminate traditions. Lampang is renowned for its colorful and symbolic festivals. The Lampang Horse Carriage Parade demonstrates pride in its unique form of transportation, with beautifully adorned carriages parading through the streets amid traditional music and dance. Also, the Yipeng Lantern Festival is a highlight of Lampang cultural calendar. Enjoy the serene setting as hundreds of lanterns illuminate the evening sky, offering a more intimate experience than the famed celebration in Chiang Mai. It's an incredible moment for travelers seeking captivating photo opportunities and a deeper connection with local traditions. With a rich cultural exploration that awaits in Lampang, we conclude that Lampang is a city where traditions comes alive even though you're stuck in a time loop, or not even a time loop, but more of a slow time as we move on forward into the future. A very slow life indeed. So if you're looking for something very slow, you're not a fast-paced person, Lampang is probably the best place for you, presenting visitors with authentic experiences that resonate deeply, while other cities are more modern because they keep changing. So whether watching gentle float of a lantern or dynamic rhythm of a horse carriage parade, Lampang offers an inviting journey into Thailand's soul. And that'll be all for Lampang's Time Capsule, the business of authenticity. You've been listening to Chiang Mai Voices on FM 98 MHz. This is our 30-minute segment of Thailand Update. Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our old-top crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. #Thainess. #Thailand only.